Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about this bunny berry in Grow Garden game of Roblox Easter update. Okay, let's get into it guys. So this is one of the plants from the Easter update, specifically from the Wellie Rapper event. I got the seed from that event, and this is an individual reward guys. And before I show you the base value of this bunny berry, I'm going to show you how the plant looks like. Okay, this is the bunny berry. It's small, but it's cute, guys. And now I'm gonna check the value of this plant. Okay, I'm gonna click on how much is this worth. Oh, it's around 30k shekels. So I think it's worth, guys, to keep in your garden. Okay, it's small like this, but it has high value. So yeah, I think it's worth. Okay guys, and that's all about the bunny berry seed in Grow Garden game of Roblox Easter update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.